Hey there, tech enthusiasts and home security buffs. Today, we're rediving into the world of smart home surveillance with a game changer that has been turning heads, the Ring Outdoor Cam, also known as the Stick-Up Cam. If you've been on the fence about upgrading your home security, this video might just be the push you need. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why this little powerhouse is causing such a buzz in the smart home community. Alright, let's kick things off with the basics. The Ring Outdoor Cam is a weather-resistant beast that's designed to keep an eye on your property 24/7, rain or shine. But here's the kicker. It's not just your average security camera. This bad boy comes packed with features that make you feel like you're reliving in the future. First up, let's talk about that live view feature. Imagine being able to check on your home anytime, anywhere, right from your smartphone. Whether you're at work, on vacation, or just chilling in bed, you can pull up a live feed of your property with just a tap. It's like having a personal security guard in your pocket. But wait, there's more. The Ring Outdoor Cam doesn't just see, it sees in color, even at night. That's right, folks. We're talking full-color night vision here. No more squinting at grainy black and white footage trying to figure out if that's a raccoon or your neighbor's cat. With this camera, you'll see every detail in living color, day or night. Now, let's get interactive. One of the coolest features of the Ring Outdoor Cam is its two-way talk functionality. Spot someone suspicious lurking around. Don't just watch, talk to them. Whether you want to scare off potential intruders or just tell the delivery guy where to leave your package, this camera lets you communicate in real time. It's like having a futuristic intercom system for your entire property. But what good is all this tech if it can't alert you when something's going down? That's where the motion alerts come in. This smart little camera can detect movement and send notifications straight to your phone. So whether it's an unexpected visitor or just the wind blowing your garden gnome over, you'll be the first to know. And for all you Alexa fans out there, I've got great news. The Ring Outdoor Cam plays nice with Amazon's virtual assistant. Want to check your camera feed? Just ask Alexa to show it on your Echo Show or Fire TV. It's that simple. Home automation at its finest, folks. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Sure, it sounds great, but is it a pain to set up? Well, I'm happy to report that installation is a breeze. The Ring Outdoor Cam is designed for easy DIY setup. Whether you want to mount it on a wall, stick it on a flat surface, or even hang it from the ceiling, you've got options. And with its sleek, white design, it'll blend in seamlessly with most home exteriors. Let's talk power for a second. The Ring Outdoor Cam comes in both battery-powered and plug-in versions, so whether you've got an outdoor outlet handy or you prefer the flexibility of a rechargeable battery, this camera has you covered. And don't worry about constantly swapping out batteries. The battery life on this thing is impressive. But what about storage? Well, Ring offers cloud storage plans that let you save and share your videos. And, with end-to-end encryption, you can rest easy knowing your footage is secure. Now, I know we've covered a lot of ground here, but trust me when I say this camera is even more impressive in action. The video quality is crisp, the app interface is user-friendly, and the peace of mind it provides is priceless. To wrap things up, if you're in the market for a reliable, feature-packed outdoor security camera, the Ring Outdoor Cam is definitely worth considering. It's weather-resistant, sees in color, day and night, lets you talk to visitors, sends motion alerts, and works with Alexa. Plus, with its easy setup and flexible powering options, it's a great choice for just about any home. So, what do you think? Are you ready to level up your home security game? Let me know in the comments if you've tried the Ring Outdoor Cam, or if you have any questions. And hey, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and smart home tips. Until next time, stay safe and stay smart.